something in mind that you feel like I want to do it, just go and learn. Find out the way how. You will never feel confident that you can do it until you have done it. สวัสดีค่ะวันนี้นุชจะมาเล่าให้ฟังว่าวันนี้นุชทำซูชิกินเองเลยนะ Today I'm going to tell you that I made my own sushi. ตอนแรกก็คิดว่ามันยากนะคะ At first I thought it was difficult. แต่ตอนที่อยากทำกินเองเนี่ยก็ต้องไปศึกษาวิธีทำ But when I wanted to learn how to make sushi myself, then I have to find out a way how to do it. แล้วก็ไปดูวิดีโอ YouTube ว่าเขาทำยังไง and then I went to learn from YouTube video like how they do it แล้วก็หัดทำตาม and then I followed what I saw อร่อยนะก็ it's quite yummy. Something I learned from here, the mindset behind sushi making, is that sometimes we don't know how to do something. When we don't know how to do something, then we think we can't, but actually maybe we can. All we need to do is just to find out how other people do it and then learn from those success recipe. This concept apply to anything that we don't know how to do it yet. Once we learn the steps on how to and we try to practice it, then we have a finished product. And when we know it's good, that's when we gain one level more of confidence that we can do this. And then with a few rounds of practice, it will get better and better. And finally become your own skill that you don't need to look back how to do it, but you just know how to do it. If you have something in mind that you feel like, I want to do it, just go and learn. Find out the way how. You will never feel confident that you can do it until you have done it. And you will feel like it's your skill when you've done it enough time. Okay, try it out.